Hello everyone, I am Rajesh Sharma in front. Now today we discuss about an important topic, current density. What is a current density? The amount of the current released per unit area. It is known as the current density. The amount of the current released per unit area, it is known as the current density, and it is also represented by J. J is equal to I by A. The SI unit is ampere per meter square and dimension is L minus 2 A power 1. We identify the relation of the current density in the term of the drift velocity. J is equal to I by A. We know that the relation, and we know that the value I is equal to NAVDE. Therefore, J is equal to NAVDE upon A. A is cancelled from A, then the component is stabilized. J is equal to NVDT. And we are also know that the value of current density in another terms, electric field and numbers of transforming charge. Like as J is equal to NVDT. We know that the value of drift velocity Vd is equal to E by m into torque, and we put the value of Vd in given equation. J is equal to N E by m into torque into E. Then the another component to be stabilized, J is equal to N E square electric field E into relaxation time upon mass. We identify to the current density in terms of electric field, relaxation time and number of the transforming charge particles in this relation. And we identify the relation of current density in terms of electric potential or the potential difference, like as we know that the relation of electric field E is equal to V by D. Therefore, J is equal to NE square V by D. It is also written in MD into torque. The new component is stabilized of the current density in terms of electric potential and relaxation time and the numbers of transforming charge. Now we discuss to the another important topic, conductivity. What is the conductivity? And first we discuss to what is the superconductor. In that temperature, the resistivity of material will be zero. It is known as the critical temperature, and the phenomena is called the superconductivity. But our topic is conductivity. What is the conductivity? It is the reciprocal of the resistivity is known as conductivity, and it is denoted by sigma is equal to 1 by rho. The SI unit to like as 1 by ohm into meter, and it will be converted from ohm minus 1 meter minus 1, and it is also called a unit of conductivity. But we identify the relation of conductivity. Rho is equal to RA by L, and the component to be changed in form L by I. L is length, then SI unit is meter, R resistance, O into meter square. It will be also changed in form of meter minus 1, O minus 1 in another. And we identify to the derived unit of the conductivity to like as we know that the relation of resistivity RA by L, therefore sigma is equal to L by RA. The SI unit of length is meter, and we identify the SI unit of resistance in term of derived unit R is equal to V by L. That was the potential difference, kilogram meter square second power minus 3 ampere minus 1 upon MP. The derived unit of resistance, kilogram meter square second power minus 3 ampere power minus 2. And we put the value of resistance in the terms of derived unit, kilogram meter square second minus 3 ampere minus 2 into meter square. Then we identify the value of conductivity in terms of derived unit, kilogram minus 1 meter power minus 3 second power 3 ampere power 2. It is the generally derived unit of the conductivity. Once again we repeat, what is the conductivity? That was the reciprocal of the resistivity. It is known as the conductivity. Now we discuss about the another topic, mobility. Mobility, it was the charge carry defined the drift velocity per unit electric field. It is known as the mobility, and it is represented by mu. Mobility is represented by mu is equal to Vd by electric field E. And we stabilize the relation for mu in terms of current. We know that the Vd, that was the drift velocity and electric field, and V can be Vd in the terms of mu E. relation for the current I is equal to NAVD. Therefore, I is equal to, we put the value of drift velocity NA mu E into small. Mu E, that was the mobility, and E is electric field. E is equal to transforming charge, and the relation is stabilized. I is equal to NAVDA. The property of mobility is always positive for the numbers of holes and the numbers of charge carried by free electrons. The electrical conductivity in terms of the semiconductors, it can be easily written Ne mu E plus the conductivity in the terms of the in semiconductors, the numbers of hole and charge, we can be written in that form. Sigma is equal to N mu E into E plus NH mu H into E. In the given component, we take the value common. E is equal to Ne mu E plus NH mu H. In the case for the semiconductor, Ne number of total transforming electron, mu E mobility of the charge carry of the electrons, and mu H, that was the number of charge of holes in the terms of the conductivity. The component is stabilized. Sigma is equal to E common Ne plus mu E plus NH plus mu H. NH, that was the number of holes, mu E mobility of the holes, mu E, that is the mobility of electrons, and it was the component to stabilize for the conductivity.